Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Learn with Priti Datta. In this video today, I want to talk to you about something that many of us quietly struggle with. Can you guess what is it? Yes, it is English. For a long time, English felt like a language I had to be very careful with. Every sentence felt like a test. Every mistake felt embarrassing for me. I was not afraid of English. I was afraid of being judged. Judged for my accent, judged for my grammar mistakes, judged for my imperfection. But I never gave up. I was trying my best. But suddenly I realized that this fear started controlling my confidence. I knew what I wanted to say, but my thoughts stayed inside because I didn't want to sound wrong. But here is something I have learned over time that English is not a measure of intelligence, it is just a tool for communication. Fluency doesn't come from perfection, it comes from courage, the courage to speak, to pause, to make mistakes, and to continue anyway. English becomes easier when you stop trying to impress and you start trying to express. Some of the best speakers that I have met were not perfect, but they were comfortable with themselves. They didn't rush, they didn't apologize for their accent. They focused on connection, not correction. So, if you are listening to this and you feel nervous while speaking English, so let me tell you one thing that this is something you are learning and your mistakes are a proof that you are learning something new. And when you learn something new, it takes time. You cannot learn something in one day or in 1 month. It really takes time and you need to be patient with it. Accent is not your weakness, it is a proof of your efforts. Speak slowly and think clearly. And most importantly, be kind to yourself because English will come with time and confidence will come with acceptance. So keep practicing. Thank you so much for listening to me.